city people, my village people, let's all come together.
I've started.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Twisting Tones. So guys, I'll just be taking you. It's Saturday, yeah. So I just want to vlog today. I really have nothing to do today, but yeah, I want to vlog and take you guys around my today on my unnecessary waka on my movements. Today Saturday, no place. Just stay with me, guys. So let's go to the kitchen and wash plates because there's plates there waiting for me. Let's go. So just have to sort out the plates. Okay. Spoon, then the bowl plate, spoon, then wash the cups later. And
I shouldn't be in this house. This is not the right house. Some feel like they're the wrong family. They feel they came to the wrong family.
guys, I'm done washing. Man, it's wait. So now I want to wash clothes. Just teeny, just little clothes. Then probably wetness. Yeah, that is wash clothes, baits, and I don't know, maybe step out or something or sleep. Yeah, sleep. that was very important. Yeah, let's go to go and bathe now. At least I've tried done washing, so it's time to bathe and maybe use face scrub after how many months. We go pretty baba, baba. Guys, I use this face scrub. It's body scrub, like I use it for my body when I'm in the mood. It's not like every time. I'm not that dedicated to things like this, but yeah, I'll be doing this today. So I'm going to go ahead and like wet my face small. Yeah. Baba, hey, Baba, we're there for heaven now. Hey, we go praise you now. Hey. You guys, I'm so inconsistent with all these type of things. Like, not many hours it takes me to convince myself to bathe, then talk more of after convincing myself, and I have to do all this cesare. Not so inconsistent. I need prayers. And keep me to shine on. It's home. I got you. So guys, don't let me cream this hair of mine. It's rough. Honestly guys, I like keeping my hair in a donut form. Okay. So, I think I'm righty. Okay, I'm ready. So let's go and spread the clothes. Do you guys know that it's one thing to wash clothes, it's another thing to dry, then it's another thing on its own to remember to pack it? I'm not even joking. Like, it's very annoying. Then to find it up, another work. So arrange it. No, it's not. We wear it like that, it gets dirty again, then we arrange it. To know, let me know if I'm the only person that have problem. Like, you wash, you dry, okay, at least drying you have to dry, then packing it, don't even even talk about like folding and arranging it, keeping it where it belongs. Like, no, guys, let me never come here, come alive for anybody. It really doesn't work that way. I don't know if I'm the person that have problem, but please, if you do, let me know. My group, my community people, my village people, let's all come together. Let's come together. So guys, time for breakfast. Trust me, this is like almost 12. Let me check the time. This is like yeah, a few minutes to 12, and I want to take breakfast. If they say eating late was a person, it's me. Me is me, it's me, it is me. Guys, I eat late for a living. Like, I don't know, maybe because it's school, like no time to eat in the morning, then we just run around, end up eating like by 1, 2 or something. So like I just find joy eating late now. Like even when I'm at home, it's really bad. It's bad. So you can eat and I'll see you guys later. If you want to join me, please be fast about it so it's not finish. You guys will not believe what I'm watching. You guys, you won't. Because of this madam. Treasure. That's where we find ourselves. Situation. Hope you are learning something from this thing now. Eh? What do you understand from it? Nothing. Nothing, guys. I need to lose this hair, Jesus Christ, until the front I can't find it again. That is it. You guys, like, I'm so pissed. So I was I was trying to see if I could rest, and it started raining, and then I washed clothes, so I ran like downstairs to park. As soon as I finished packing, the rain stopped. Like, this Port Harcourt is a lot. This weather is not really for me. Like, the rain stopped. I had to spread back everything. What's on my face? I had to spread back everything. Guys, you know what, if you know what I have, if you have what I can use for this, I think my under eyes are becoming better than when I was in school. What is this? As if I've been crying. Guys, I've been sleeping, you know. Oh, guys, there's nothing I'm doing this in this house. I've just been here. So guys, like, there's literally nothing to do today, but I want to try this camera popcorn I saw on TikTok. Yeah, so I just want to go and set up and just want to go and try it and see how it will work. Let me set up the tripod, and you guys should just watch. Guys, they think I'm rubbish. I'm going to a comment section. I'm not even joking. So she had granite oil first. So wait, this granite oil. I was trying to open another. It's okay. Small, then butter, Yeah. So she add our popcorn. Let me do small, so it's not pay me too much. It will not work. Then mix it. Boy. Honestly, guys, it's parboiling.
You don't know what when the water has milk fin now they go. So let's see them.
Let's wait now.
I mean, I think so. You say you know how to do it now.
I don't know this style now. I'm using someone's own on TikTok. I think let me see how the thing will go.
So now your own, how do you know why you do it?
I'll just put both the sugar and everything to now pop out white. Now let me do the chocolate. The fire is even low, maybe that's why. the fire was low.
Increase the fire. We're calling the gun and we're
Mama, stay there.
My dad is born.
Oh, stop it.
It's
Oh,
okay.
oh my God.
guys, it's working. Jesus.
So that means this is not hard to do it though. You should go to the don't cough. You don't be born now.
Small bone, let's check.
How do I? Hey, what?
See now, it cannot finish.
See the food. Fold it.
It's still coming out.
Ego.
And the seed I put is small. See now. So guys, we had a successful part 1. So let's do part 2. Sugar. You put plenty sugar.
Yes. I just put them.
Water. I think the color is changing.
Take and do. Me, I don't know how to do. Everyone for this pancake chop, some kind of say there. Inside flour there.
There's flour now. Look, it's by the main road.
2 boiled pancake.
Supposed to black very well, but not black.
Let that be like that now. Put the sugar, milk in the milk.
No, supposed to be black.
Don't make it too black. It's too black.
I'm getting what you want to. I'm using this one to say well. Then I'm going to add a flour and a milk.
It's black though.
And yeah, guys, yeah, I got it. Hey. You guys, see
You
now.
guys think they put up.
No poto. See now.
Off the light now.
Come on. This is caramel popcorn. Everything at once. Treasure, come and test.
Yeah. I don't want to tell you.
So guys, we had a successful first try, but I want to do a second one, like a plain popcorn. People in this house, they don't like the caramel popcorn, so I'm going to try making another one, like a plain white, regular, normal people popcorn. Yeah.
Oh God, thank you.
So guys, the caramel popcorn I tried making, it came out well at first, but then I think the sugar overburnt, so very bitter. Then I tried again. I did a plain one, like the normal regular popcorn, and it came out really nice. Then I did again and it came out fantastic because I got the opportunity to add like chocolate to this one. Sorry guys, I could not take a picture of it, but because the people here with me, it has finished. It's finished. So yeah, that's what we did today. And now I have to tidy up because nobody sent me this work that I went to do. So I have to tidy up the place by myself, and I'm staring at everything like, hey, I think I still have some. So this one is chocolate, and I think this one is chocolate too. They are both chocolate. The milk has finished too, and the caramel popcorn is kind of burnt. It's nice, but like it's very bitter. It looks like burnt dodo. Oh god, thank you guys for staying with me in this cooking wahala. Let me go and clean and see you guys. I think this is the only thing this is the only productive thing I'm going to do today. I've done today. Yeah guys, it's like 4 in the evening. Yeah. See guys, if you want something like there's something you really want and there's something you really admire, and you see it on somebody, don't go and be doing and be eyeing the person and be saying it's fake, it's not original, until you don't even have the original. You don't even have the fake. You don't have the fake. So just admire it and hope and pray that your own will come. Don't be enemy of progress for your own self, because the person has it, whether it's fake or original. You don't have it. You are not making yourself not to even have the fake. You understand what I'm saying? So you sit on somebody, you pray that your own will locate you. Don't be doing babele work. You understand? Good. Bye. Me, you are talking to like that. It cannot be me. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please try to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. Drop your comment. Tell me if you like my vlogs, and if this is the first time, please try to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you guys. Before I forget to do outro, thank you so much guys. I love you all. Bye.